I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a little quick candy recipe. This would be a great thing to do with your grandchildren, or in my case, great-grandchildren. It's easy to do. Duncan Hines milk chocolate frosting, creamy peanut butter, 3 ounces of the marshmallow cream. There's 7 ounces in this jar. We only use about half of it. We lined our pan with foil and parchment paper. You know, there's a lot of candies now that you do in a microwave. You can do peanut butter brittle. You can do lots of things. There's other different kinds of chocolates you can do in the microwave too. But let's put this in the microwave on high for 2 minutes. You need to refrigerate this a couple of 3 hours and let it get real cool, and then you can cut it in little square bars. Now we have finished our chocolate fudge. It really looks good. This would be a fun thing to do with your children or grandchildren, in my case, great-grandchildren. My little great-grandson, Little Rock, likes chocolate. I hope you try this. I hope you have fun with your children with this too, because it's so easy. And I hope you enjoy it, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.